Hi everyone, it's Neville Eden again from Abergele Golf Club. I've got what I hope is some good news for everyone. On my phone screen now, as you can see, I've got a playing handicap calculator. I asked my son to develop this and he's done a great job. If you want to have a look at it, the URL for it at the top there, if you just type that into your browser on your phone or on your computer or on your iPad or whatever, tablet, handy-6 six.vercel.app, it will bring you to this page. I will also arrange for a link to this to be circulated at some point via email to people. The way it works, there's a little bit of a problem with it. It'll always have that 0 at the front, but don't worry about that. Let's say I've looked on Wales Golf and it's telling me at the moment that my current handicap index is 24.5. I click done there. Let's say actually I don't want to go out on the white tees, I want to go out on the yellow tees. Click done. And if I'm in a Saturday competition where they're applying a 95% handicap allowance, I can pick that and that'll tell me, right, your playing handicap is 25, just get my driver out and smack it out of bounds like I normally do, and then have to play 3 off the tee. If I want to play off full handicap with just friends off the yellows, it's now telling me my playing handicap is 26. So it's really quite straightforward. You've got whites, yellows, reds, whatever your handicap is. Let's say I'm off 36. It basically does what it says basically in the boxes, gives you your playing handicap. You don't have to then try and look through the glass of that notice board and read across on the tables. So hopefully this is really helpful. One final thing before I go, if you're on an iPhone, I'm going to show you now how to get this as a shortcut directly on your phone screen so that it basically just behaves like it was an app. To do that, at the bottom of the screen in the middle, there's that little blue square with the up arrow. Click on that and then scroll down until you get to the option that says add to home screen. So I'm going to click add to home screen. I can then change the title if I wish. I'm just actually going to take out score and just say handicap calculator. And then I'm going to go add. And you can see now at the bottom right hand corner of this particular page on my phone, it's got the handicap K, it says there, and that's actually the icon. If I want to move that, I just press and hold and then say edit home screen. Then I can drag that icon all the way back until I get to my front screen. Just let go of it there and then just tap anywhere on the screen and they'll stop jiggling about. And there you see it's on the home screen there. If I now click on that button, it takes me straight to that little app. I can bob my handicap index in. You've still got to look at what your up-to-date handicap index is on Wales Golf. And I can put it in and get off and play at Abergele. And please note that this is only for use from Abergele. Don't go and try and use it on another course because all of their slope ratings will be different. But I hope this helps people at our club in Abergele. Okay, looking forward to when we can next get out on the golf course, and the new system comes into force on Monday, so that's just 2 days away. Stay safe and really enjoy your golf whenever you can get out there. Take care. Bye.